My name is Jenny Chase. I am the midday host on 97.1 Wash FM here in DC. In my mid-30s, I'm almost 50 now, in my mid-30s I developed adult acne. I had never had acne as a teenager. It was very upsetting. I would get these huge, like literal cysts on my face. And it was just, it was horrible. I was so embarrassed to be seen. And I just didn't know what my options were in terms of treatment. And I just kind of stumbled across Dr. Dahiya one day and I thought, this guy's gonna change my life. I really felt that way. I felt so comfortable with him. He made me feel like I'm part of the family here. He took my concerns literally and seriously and just said, I can make this better for you. I can turn it around for you. And so he did. I get so many compliments on my skin now. That's something I'm not used to. It's still a work in progress, but I'm so thankful to have found him. He literally changed my life, gave me back some self-confidence, which was severely lacking before. And he's just an amazing, amazing human being. I love him to death. I feel like the changes were very dramatic, very noticeable. It's been over a year since I had my treatments done, and again, there's still a little bit more to do. We have a few more areas to go back and retreat, but compared to how I was before, and I mean, I literally did not want to look in the mirror. I couldn't stand my face. It was that debilitating to me. When I sat and told them how bad it was, I mean, I literally just cried because it was so just embarrassing, and it made me almost kind of want to just be a hermit and a recluse. I can't do that in my profession, but you know, it just, I can't say enough. I just can't say enough about how much it's changed my life and my perspective. Everybody really could tell a difference. They said your skin looks so much more smoother and balanced. My acne scars were so deep that he said, Dr. Dahiya said, we need to do a combination of things. We need to do your fractional laser treatment. And he said, after that, we'll see where the problem areas are. So yes, I've had the Bellafill to just even my skin out even more, and it makes such a huge difference. There's still some areas that we're working on because it is a work in progress. He explained that to me. He said, you know, your skin didn't get bad overnight. It's not going to get healed completely overnight. So I said, whatever you recommend, I'll do. The Bellafill, I researched it. The FDA's, first 5-year long-term filler. I'm like, that makes so much more sense than going back every 6 months or whatever. That to me is silly. If you can do something more long-lasting, why not? So he encouraged me with the Bellafill. We've used it on several places on my face, and I really think it's an amazing product. I do recommend it over just those short-term fillers, and I just think the results look amazing. I could not be more pleased. Absolutely. I tell everybody that I meet how wonderful he is, how just professional he is. It's reassuring to know that you're getting treated by the top facial plastic surgeon in this area. I mean, you can't get any better than him, and his expertise is just bar none. So anybody that I ever come across who says, well, I've been thinking about this or thinking about that, I say, here's the website, call him, talk to everybody, just get the information. You're gonna walk out feeling like, wow, I'm really gonna be able to turn my appearance around. I'm gonna get rejuvenated. I'm gonna get all those things that have always bothered me about my face. He can fix those for me. So it's, like I said, I couldn't believe when I came across someone who genuinely cared as much as he did about getting me where I wanted to be with my appearance. And yeah, I could talk about Dr. Dahiya all day long.